Unit 2, Chapter 7, Tony Tinker. Listen, sing and repeat. Tony Tinker, Tony Tinker, can you sing? Can you play? I can play my bass drum, dum dum dum, dum dum dum. Listen to my bass drum, dum dum dum, dum dum dum. I can play my triangle, ting ting ting, ting ting ting. Listen to my triangle, ting ting ting, ting ting ting. I can play my violin, tui tui tui, tui tui tui. Listen to my violin, tui tui tui, tui tui tui. I can play my tabla, dha dhin dha, dha dhin dha. Listen to my tabla, dha dhin, dha dhin, dha 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 dha. Look and say. Drum, tabla, triangle, play, violin. Listen, sing. Listen, repeat and enact. What can you do? We are birds. We can fly, but we can't write. We are frogs. We can jump, but we can't read. We are ducks. We can swim, but we can't dance. We are horses. We can run, but we can't sing. We are children. We can talk, but we can't fly. Listen carefully and match the pictures with appropriate actions. Eating, walking, carrying, sitting.